If you are looking for how to fix DLL error codes like Unarc.dll or IsDone.dll, I think this video might be a help, because I'll be explaining everything in detail, what causes the missing files and how you can fix it. So hopefully after watching this video to the end, you should be able to fix it yourself. So, before we dive into the video, please do me a favor to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Basically, you must understand that Unarc.dll error and IsDone.dll error are primarily caused by issues during the unpacking of compressed game or software archives, often with error codes. This mostly happens when there is installation of large programs like game repacks on your computer. DLL files are used by various applications, particularly game installers, to decompress and extract files from compressed archives during installation or program updates. This error code often happens due to corrupted archive files, insufficient disk space, insufficient virtual memory, an antivirus or firewall blocking the process, corrupted or incompatible Unarc.dll file, corrupted installation files, and outdated system drivers. Now we know the causes of the error codes. Let's see how we can fix it with these 5 simple steps. To fix Unarc and IsDone.dll error, first try increasing your virtual memory on your PC. Also ensure you have enough disk space and the system RAM meet the minimum requirement of the program you want to install. If you are running Windows 10 on your PC, select this PC. Right-click your mouse and select the System Properties. So when you get a pop-up menu like this, you have various options out here: computer name, the graphics memory, and hard disk storage. Amongst these options here, the only important concern is the system RAM. You should have at least enough RAM to run any large program you want to install your computer. Under System Protection, select Advanced System Settings. Under Advanced, click on Performance Settings. Click on this tab. Do not change anything out here. Again, and then under Virtual Memory, click on Change. As you could see, my virtual memory was automatically managed by my computer itself. So I'm going to change this and manually set this up so that I will have higher virtual memory on my PC. You could do the same. Ensure that this is selected to C drive. If you look closely, you probably will notice that I have enough allocated RAM, and the space storage available is 164,404 megabyte, which was enough for my computer. But don't worry, the space storage doesn't matter anyway, provided you have enough RAM inserted on your PC. Click on Custom Size. So in order for you to get higher value, all you have to do is enter the amount of RAM that you have. Since I have 8 GB, I'll put in 8 GB multiply by 1.5, multiply by 10 to the 24 megabyte. Whatever amount you get here, you're going to copy it, Invincible. Or you can enter it here as it is. So you can remove the comma. And then the maximum size is going to be 2 times this amount, which is 24,576. So you copy this, and you paste it here. Remove the comma. Once you enter the value, click on Set, and then click on OK. You could click on that Apply button, click on OK. When you're prompted to restart, you can either restart it now or later, but for me, I will restart later. Step 2. We are going to run System Scan using Command Prompt. This method helps scan any corrupted installation file and also fixed it as well. Endeavor you keep your internet connection for better result. So head over to your Windows search and type CMD, select it and run as an administrator. Here you are going to type sfc/scano and hit enter on your keyboard. This probably will take a lot of time in some case, so be patient and wait for the full scan. When it's done, close the tab and continue with Step 3. In this Step 3, I'm going to download some of these Microsoft files. These files are required for games to be installed on PC. Open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ Redistributable. You can download the latest version of the redistributables. I have already downloaded and installed the redistributable file on my computer, so you can download it as well from the official Microsoft website. Download and install manually on your computer. When you recently updated your Windows, most of the outdated system file are updated as well, both the pre-install files. So head over to your Windows search and type Windows Features. By default, Net Framework 3.5 should be selected. Here I have Net Framework 3.5 and Net Framework 4.8, which by the time I made the video, Net Framework 4.8 was the latest version. Select the both Net Framework and click OK. Wait for the process to complete because the file has to download for the changes to apply. When it's complete, you close the tab. Fourth step, you will try to download the latest version archive file, like WinRAR or 7-zip file. Any of those files, you have to download the latest version if it is corrupted. But if you don't have one, open your browser and search for WinRAR. Download and install on your computer. After that, we have to clean up our system thoroughly. Hover over the Windows icon, right-click your mouse and select Run. Type temp here and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select all these files and delete. Do the same thing again. This time, type %temp%. Invincible. And hit Enter. Select all the file and delete. Skip any file that is not deleting. Hover over the Windows icon again, right-click your mouse and select Run. This time, type prefetch and hit Enter. Copy all and delete. Open your system file, select your local disk, right-click your mouse and select Properties. Here, you are going to click Disk Cleanup, check some of these files, and then click OK and click Delete File. Once you are done, check for system updates and update your Windows. When you're done, restart your PC. Finally, in Step 5, you are going to turn off your Windows protection. Open your Windows, search and type Windows Security. Select and open Virus and Threat Protection. Select and open Manage Settings. So here, you turn off the real-time protection. Once you are done, you close the tab. So hopefully these methods will fix any missing DLL file. If you have any question, please drop your comment down below. And don't forget to comment if it worked for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and take care.